Have you ever stared at your bank account, a meager $500 staring back, and dreamt of transforming that sum into a substantial $25,000? It's a seemingly insurmountable leap, a financial Everest. But what if I told you that with a realistic plan, diligent effort, and a smart strategy, this ambitious goal is not only achievable, but well within your grasp? This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or lottery tickets. This is about building a solid foundation for financial growth, one strategic step at a time. We're embarking on a journey, a detailed roadmap to navigate the path from $500 to $25,000. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and join the Grow Financially family. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Share your biggest financial hurdle or your most ambitious financial goal. Let's connect and learn from each other. This isn't just about multiplying your money. It's about understanding the power of strategic allocation, leveraging opportunities, and cultivating a mindset of consistent growth. Think of this $500 as the seed capital, the very foundation upon which we will construct a thriving financial landscape. It's a small beginning, yes, but remember, the mighty oak tree starts as a tiny acorn. Our plan will focus on realistic, achievable strategies, avoiding the allure of high-risk, high-reward ventures that often lead to devastating losses. We'll prioritize building a strong financial base, then gradually expanding our horizons as our capital grows. The first crucial step is to develop a comprehensive budget. This isn't about restricting yourself, it's about gaining control of your finances. Track your income and expenses meticulously for at least a month. Identify areas where you can reduce unnecessary spending, that daily latte, those impulse online purchases, subscriptions you rarely use. These seemingly small amounts, when accumulated over time, can significantly impact your savings. Every dollar saved is a dollar closer to your $25,000 goal. This initial step isn't about drastic cuts, but about conscious choices and responsible spending habits. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial inflows and outflows, we'll move on to creating a robust savings plan. Allocate a significant portion of your income towards savings, even if it's just a small percentage initially. Consistency is key. Even small, regular contributions add up over time. Consider automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This removes the temptation to spend the money and ensures consistent progress toward your goal. With a solid savings plan in place, we'll explore different avenues for investment. High-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, and low-cost index funds are some options to consider. The choice will depend on your risk tolerance and investment horizon. We'll delve into the specifics of each option, analyzing the pros and cons, and helping you make informed decisions based on your personal circumstances. It's crucial to understand that while higher returns are tempting, they often come with higher risks. We'll be focusing on a balanced approach, growth with responsible risk management. Investing requires patience and discipline. It's a marathon, not a sprint. There will be market fluctuations, periods of growth, and periods of stagnation. The key is to stay focused on your long-term goals, avoiding impulsive reactions to short-term market volatility. We'll develop a strategy that allows you to ride out market downturns while still maximizing your potential for long-term growth. Remember, consistent effort and informed decision-making are your most powerful tools in this journey. Beyond investing, we will also explore alternative income streams. This could involve freelancing, consulting, selling goods online, or even starting a small side hustle. These supplementary income sources can significantly accelerate your progress towards your $25,000 goal. We'll explore various opportunities, providing you with the resources and guidance to identify and pursue income streams that align with your skills and interests. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Finally, continuous learning is crucial. The financial landscape is constantly evolving. We'll provide you with resources and tools to stay updated on the latest investment strategies, market trends, and financial best practices. This ongoing education will empower you to make informed decisions and adapt your strategies as needed ensuring your continued progress toward financial independence. Financial literacy is the foundation upon which all successful financial journeys are built. We'll provide you with the tools you need to build that foundation strong. This isn't a race. This is a journey of growth, learning, and disciplined financial management. Let's begin. Thus, we construct a robust, step-by-step plan to transform your modest $500 into $25,000. Remember the importance of a rigorous budget, allowing you to understand your cash flow and identify areas to optimize your spending. This step, while seemingly simple, is crucial for establishing a solid foundation for financial growth. From there, we develop a consistent savings plan, automating transfers to ensure the regularity of your contributions. We also understand the importance of investment diversification, choosing options that align with your risk profile and long-term goals. Investing in yourself through continuous learning and updating your knowledge of the financial market is equally vital. We cannot forget the pursuit of additional income streams, exploring opportunities for extra work or entrepreneurship to accelerate the capital accumulation process. Each step described here is not a mere detail, but a fundamental gear in a well-oiled machine designed to achieve your financial goals. The journey from $500 to $25,000 is not a race, but a marathon that demands persistence, discipline, and informed decision-making. There will be periods of accelerated growth and others of apparent stagnation. The key lies in maintaining focus on your long-term goals, without being discouraged by inevitable market fluctuations. Remember, the market is cyclical. There will be highs and lows, and the ability to navigate these oscillations with serenity and strategy is what will differentiate those who achieve success from those who give up along the way. Building wealth is not a magical or random process. It is an undertaking that demands hard work, strategic planning, and a strong dose of self-discipline. You will need to overcome the temptation to spend impulsively, resist social pressure to maintain a lifestyle beyond your means, and be prepared to make difficult decisions, even when they are not the most popular or comfortable. The journey will not be linear. There will be obstacles and challenges to face. However, with a well-defined strategy and the necessary persistence, you will be well-equipped to overcome any obstacle. The key to success lies in your ability to adapt and learn continuously. The financial market is dynamic and constantly evolving, requiring you to stay updated and flexible in your strategies. Remember that knowledge is power, and the more you learn about investments, financial management, and the market, the greater your chances of success. Seek new information, participate in workshops, online courses, and read books and articles about finance. Don't be afraid to ask for help from qualified professionals, such as financial advisors, to ensure you are on the right track. This is not just a financial plan. It is a plan for your future, for your independence, and for the security of your family. It is an investment in yourself, in your ability to build a better future. It is a demonstration of your ability to plan, execute, and achieve challenging goals. It's about becoming the architect of your own financial success. And remember, every small step you take on this journey, every dollar saved, every strategic investment, every hour dedicated to learning, contributes to building a more prosperous and secure future. It's time to put everything we've learned into practice. Subscribe to the Grow Financially channel for access to more valuable content, practical tips, and effective strategies to achieve your financial independence. Share this video with friends and family who also dream of turning their financial goals into reality. Leave a comment below answering this question. What is the biggest mindset shift you need to make to achieve your financial goals? Together, we will build a more solid and prosperous financial future. Click on the screen to continue learning about advanced investment strategies.